is on, 220-volt lamp is on. Okay, so please see these videos. Okay, lamp is on. So this is relay. We know that relay is switching device. Okay, I think you can understand how to work relay. So relay and relay processing system, very easy, simple way. If you understand about this relay, just relay only two type work, just NO and NC. When the relay is on, then the NO contact is NC and NC contact is NO, and when unplug the supply, then the relay NO contact is NO and NO contact is NC and NC contact is NO. So you are now understand. I think you can understand how to work relay. Relay is very simple processing. You can work many project by the relay, and industrial related and otherwise motherboard, card, controller, etc. use relay use. Otherwise controlling, many controlling use this relay. Okay, so here you can see when I plug in the battery sourcing, then it is work. I open the cables from the base. Now I testing you. Here check it. When I plug in the terminal sourcing, then the relay is on, and with the NO contact is NC contact, then the light is on. So this is when I plug in the relay, then 9 nong pin and 5 nong pin is NO to NC contact, and relay is on. Sorry, lamp is on. Okay, so you can understand. I think you can understand about this. Okay, so here I think I understand you how to work relay and what is the relay. Everyone know now. So here some person comment says Leo Sports 10, hi. What's up, Leo Sports 10? And Hope plays, hi, good content. Thank you so much. Hope plays, hi, good content. Ivan Hola, como estás? Dear friend, I don't understand your language because I understand just English language. Thank you so much for comments. Leo Sports 10, hola. Dear friend, hola, please English text. Thank you so much. Fire Nation, hola. Hola, what is the hola, dear friend? I don't understand meaning of hola. Just please clearly text. Okay, so thank you so much. Here I understand you how to work relay and relay full process. I think you are understand about this relay. Okay, so just I talking some about relays.